vagabond. Word forms: third person singular present tense vagabonds, present participle upholstering, past tense, past participle vagabonded. Move about aimlessly or without any destination, often in search of food or employment. Synonyms: rove, stray, swan, tramp, wander. He is vagabonding here and there.
Valet. Word forms: third person singular present tense valets, present participle valeting, past tense, past participle valeted. Serve as a personal attendant to. Synonyms: assist, attend to, serve, wait on. Wajid is not ready to valet his parents. Vegetate. Word forms: third person singular present tense vegetates, present participle vegetating, past tense, past participle vegetated. If someone vegetates, they spend their time doing boring or worthless things. Synonyms: stagnate, idle, loaf, exist. Our kids are spending too much time vegetating in front of the TV.
Veil. Word forms: third person singular present tense veiled, present participle veiling, past tense, past participle veiled. To don or wear a veil. Synonyms: cover, cover, hide, conceal, mask. She veiled her face.
Victimize. Word forms: third person singular present tense victimizes, present participle victimizing, past tense, past participle victimized. If someone is victimized, they are deliberately treated unfairly. Synonyms: persecute, bully, pick on, abuse. This man claims that he has been victimized because of his political activity.
Victual. Word forms: third person singular present tense victuals, present participle victualling, past tense, past participle victualled. To supply a large number of people with food. Synonyms: board, cater, feed, provision. Victual with me next Saturday.
vouch. Word forms: third person singular present tense vouchers, present participle vouching, past tense, past participle vouched. To say that you believe that someone is good and will behave well in future. Synonyms: guarantee, back, certify, stick up for. Her mother agreed to vouch for Maria and get her a job.
Vow. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense vows, present participle vowing, past tense, past participle vowed. If you vow to do something, you make a serious promise or decision that you will do it. Synonyms: promise, pledge, swear, commit. I vowed that I would never drink again.
Vroom. Word forms: third person singular present tense vrooms, present participle vrooming, past tense, past participle vroomed. To operate a motor vehicle at high speed or so as to create a great deal of engine noise. Synonyms: speed, zoom, whiz, flash. Tractor vrooms when it is started.
Vulgarize. Word forms: third person singular present tense vulgarizes, present participle vulgarizing, past tense, past participle vulgarized. To make something little known or difficult to understand, widely known or popular among the public, popularize. Synonyms: generalize, popularize. Her voice, vulgarized by its accent.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.